So what's up guys, my name is Mark and you're watching Taxi. So in today's video I am going to give you the specs of the Oppo Find N smartphone and also my first impressions of it. So let's start the video. So the first impressions when this was launched on 15 December 2021 officially by Oppo, I was shocked by the design itself. Because the design, if you see, it's not that very big and not that very bulky type. It's very compact size design, which I personally like it, and the price also was very good. So let's start with the specs of it. So this smartphone, talking about the first things, the display. So this smartphone is going to come with 7.1-inch display if you fold it, and with unfold the front display is a 5.1-inch display. The front display without folding display, that one, is an AMOLED display with 60 Hz refresh rate, but the inside folded display will be an 120 Hz AMOLED display. So the display also is very good in size, and if you unfold also, it's not the very bulky type, and without unfolding also you can feel the design itself like a normal phone because the bezels are very slim itself. So friends, talking about the camera itself, so this smartphone is going to come with a 50 megapixel main sensor, 30 megapixel and 60 megapixel. So it's a triple camera setup. It's very good itself. You can shoot 4K videos and 8K videos also, and the camera itself also is very good in terms of the smartphone. So now talking about the battery, this smartphone is going to come with 4500 mAh battery, which is sufficient only. But if this smartphone, because this smartphone have a fast charging also, so there is no problem at all. And talking about the displays only, it's going to come with a protection of Gorilla Glass pictures without folding also and unfold also. And the display also is an HDR10 plus display with 500 nits brightness and 1000 nits peak brightness, and the display also has 370 ppi density and 87.3% screen to body ratio, and this display is very good itself, as I said only. And now talking about the front display, as I have said, it's also going to come with Gorilla Glass filters and it's a 5.49-inch display. So now talking about the processor itself, this smartphone is going to come with the Snapdragon 888 processor, 5G processor. It's a 5nm based processor, which is very battery efficient also and very fast also. And the Antutu scores also are very good. It actually crosses more than 7 lakhs. And the Adreno GPU is going to come with an Adreno 660 GPU, and the platform also, it's an Android 11 and ColorOS 12. So now talking about the sound also, it's going to come with an stereo 3.5mm headphone jack also, which is very good, and it's a 5G capabilities. And charging also, it has 33 watt fast charging, which is just means not that very bad, and reverse charging also of 10 watt. And this also is going to come with a side mounted fingerprint sensor, and on the sensor which it should have. And with this, there will be two variants of this smartphone. It is a 256GB 8GB RAM, and one is a 512GB and 112GB RAM. So now this smartphone price also is launched, but actually it's not that official. It is launched only in China. It is not launched now in India, so the price could be very much vary. So in talking about China's price also, it says that it will be costing 91,000. So if you compare with the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 also, I would say that this smartphone is little bit more compact than the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 smartphone. And this smartphone, the first impressions also which are very good. It's very good in size and it is very good for beginners. Means beginners folding phone can convert to direct to phone tree also after this using this phone. And even if you use this phone, you will not feel using a very big bulky type phone. And their design is very good. Oppo is the Oppo's first ever foldable smartphone, so they managed to do it very good. And this was all for this video. I hope you like the video. So subscribe my channel for more like this videos. Click the bell icon to get latest notifications on my new video first to you, and like the video and share the video to friends and family. So thank you and bye bye.